Double-end tenoning machine. Automatic end trimming of wooden blocks, sawing up and down simultaneously. Simultaneous sawing of 4 plates on the upper and lower sides. Adjustable feeding speed. High efficiency double-end automatic tenoning. Operation display of automatic tenoning and grooving machine for grill rack. Automatic translation feeding. Double head high-speed slot milling motor. Double head automatic slotting at the same time. Milling slot drilling and tenoning machine operation display. Multi-hole automatic drilling with adjustable hole distance. High-speed automatic sawing and trimming with a smooth and burr-free surface. Automatic clamping and positioning. Vertical high-speed automatic groove milling. Automatic feeding in place. High-speed automatic groove milling on the side. Fully automatic double-end and trimming saw cutting machine operation display. Machined boards with varying lengths, automatically leveled and sawn. Infrared automatic induction recognition, both ends automatically flat and tidy. Adjustable feeding speed for efficient sawing. Dual-end automatic and trimming saw operation video. Dual-end automatic and trimming saw with integrated control switch panel. Controlled by a microcomputer, the switching device is clear at a glance and easy to operate. Equipped with an arc-shaped feeding rack, it can stack multiple sheets at once. Realize continuous automatic sawing and trimming, saving people and effort. One-click positioning locking device, fast and convenient. Equipped with high-precision aluminum alloy feeding blocks, sturdy and durable. Supporting university variable frequency speed control device to adjust speed. Calculated to be capable of sawing 18,000 pieces of double-end machine head with a daily working time of 10 hours. Equipped with an elastic pressing device, the plate can be fixed and pressed tightly regardless of thickness. Realize fast and accurate double-head automatic sawing. Fully automatic double saw head. Integrated control switch panel for the 5-disc tenoning machine. Equipped with a feeding rack, it can stack all fast plates in one go. Realize continuous automatic and trimming saw cutting tenon, saving people and effort. The machine tool is equipped with a frequency conversion speed control device. The length of the tenon board and the feeding speed can be freely adjusted. Equipped with an adjustable pressing device, the thickness of the board can be fixed and pressed tightly. Realize fast and accurate double-end automatic and trimming saw cutting tenon. Automatic and trimming of wooden blocks, sawing up and down simultaneously. Double saw blade tenoning. Simultaneous sawing of 4 plates on the upper and lower sides. Double-end automatic rod discharge machine roller pressing type. Button-based operation, easy to understand. Supporting material storage rack, capable of storing multiple pieces of wood at once. Chain type automatic feeding. The length of saw material can be freely adjusted. Adjustable feeding speed. Simultaneous cutting of tenons with both upper and lower saw blades. High efficiency double-end automatic tenoning.